If you're after a roomy, family-friendly SUV that's easy to live with day to day, take a look at this 2021 Volkswagen Tiguan S here at Bryan's Car Corner. It's sitting right around 73,000 miles with a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and front-wheel drive, plus an automatic transmission that gets you 23 city and 29 highway miles per gallon. This one also comes with a solid list of driver assist features, including blind spot sensor, rear cross traffic alert, pre-collision warning, and LED daytime running lights for added visibility on the road. It's finished in white and priced at $16,988 plus a $299 dock fee for a final price of $17,287. We work with over 30 banks and credit unions. Give us a call or visit bryanscarcorner.com to schedule your test drive today.